Back with another video, Kira 777. Hope all is well. Stay out of the way, safe, focus, and balance. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love support. The title of the video is going to be about ghosts having joints. That is the title of the video. I ended up moving to another location that was haunted as well. Immediately when I walked in the room, I could feel the energy of ghosts around me. So what I did was I walked around the room checking for a ghost. I ended up finding the ghost where they was at each and every spot they was in. I found it. Once I settled in, I was able to be around a ghost. The longer I was around a ghost is the more I experienced and I seen. One day I was watching TV. I heard this noise in the background. It was a popping and cracking sound. I knew it was coming from a ghost, but I wanted to make sure. So what I did was I turned down the TV to listen to see if I was correct. I was right. I knew it was ghosts all around me. It was at least 3 by me while I was in the bed. But the one that was producing and making it sound, it was the one nearest to me. It was right behind me on the bed I was sitting on watching TV right by the wall. So I'm listening. I ended up hearing it. I was like, what the fuck? I did not know that a ghost could actually do this because I had never heard it before. It was new to me. So I came up with the conclusion that the ghost is right behind me moving, and how I can tell is because its joints is popping and cracking. You would probably say, well, duh, of course you can see a ghost and it has joints. The way that ghosts were depicted, that is not what is actually taking place. Ghosts are invisible to the naked eye. They exist as energy, but they still have a body structure and joints. It was moving its joints. You know how you be up and moving, walking around, your legs end up popping and cracking, or you moving your arms, they end up popping and cracking. Some people can do this automatically with ease, but this is the sound that I heard coming from the ghost. This Enoch 777. Peace, I'm out.